No home, office, or study area is complete without a study table, as it can positively impact the quality of your work. A study table design provides a familiar and comfortable space to work and study in a focused way. It is important to create the desired atmosphere, as this will motivate one to spend more time on the desk rather than making the place boring. The sleek designs of study table is ideal for all type of work, whether you need to study on your computer or want to have the writing desk or want to store the essential books and disks. Another affordable and simple option for the study table desk is to go for a small wooden table. This type of table can accommodate really well in a small space, plus it also useful in storing various things, making the table clutter free. Add a comfy wooden chair and a small place to store books under the table and the perfect study table is ready. Accessorize the table with a small plant, a tiny lamp, and a beautiful painting or the card and pen holder on the wall, and that's it. You can give a modern touch by giving a sleek look to the chair. Throw away all the boring stuff from the table and shelves and add some fun element to the area. Instead of going with the square table, go for some round or semicircle table with modern and artistic chair with a cute piece of art on the table. Instead of old boring shelving, go for artistic shelves and add some fun element to it. Accessorize the table with a small simple clock, a table lamp, and some essential book laying there, and a classic study table is ready. There is nothing more spacious than a comfortable and organized study table tucked in a corner. Closed drawers at the side of the table with a lot of writing space on the table will make it clean and comfortable. Keeping the study table open to the light and near the window will make the place feel bigger and also create a positive atmosphere all around the place. Also, this will help you to read in the natural light without using much of the artificial light. Study tables make for quite an interesting addition to the home. Commonly, study tables are used only for well studying, but the fun fact is that study tables can become a crucial part of your home decor ideas. A well mounted study table is a classy furniture to pick when you are running short on space. This is an intelligent idea to adorn that wall while making it functional and spacious. A corner desk, effectively a space manager. They take minimal space and well equipped to fulfill your reading and writing need. Modern study tables with its clean line, seamless design, structure and functional storage option are ideal for today's modern day workspace. Modern studying desks such as foldable study table have all the necessary elements that can make work and study a comfortable and productive experience. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and do not forget to like and share my videos.